What's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. Today we are leaving Ocala, Florida, where we have been staying for the last 2 weeks, a little more than 2 weeks, at our RV site. In the last video, if you didn't catch that, go check that one out. But we bought a site here at Champions Run RV Resort and we absolutely love it. If you're interested in renting it, follow the link in the description. I'll have some information down in the description for you. All right, we are heading into the panhandle of Florida. We're actually coming out of our winter. We're starting to migrate back north now. So we're heading up towards Pensacola, where we're gonna be staying in Milton, Florida at Splash RV Resort. We're gonna be there for the Less Junk More Journey huddle. We'll give you a little bit of information about that and show you how it goes. But then we're gonna be spending a month in Pensacola. We're gonna be checking out Pensacola. That should be awesome. Well, we're waiting for my daughter to finish school so that we can actually pick her up and help her move out of her dorm. Then we start heading east. We're gonna be the East Coast this year in 2025. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about our travels, you can check out our website. It all kind of comes up to a finale in November when we go to Talona Ridge for our annual gathering. All right, so that link is down in the description below. Lots of information in the description in today's video. But we're packing up, we're getting ready to leave, and it's time to roll. Every RV that we have from here on out will have that Gen Y.
All right, where are we going?
I already told them all that. What's up?
Tell me you were sad about leaving Champions Run.
Yes.
What do you think about Champions Run?
It's beautiful.
Yeah?
It just got replaced though.
Do you think that they should, do you think people watching should rent our site?
Definitely.
It's a pretty nice site.
It's a good site.
The only downside to our site is that it does back up to the road, but the bushes back there are supposed to grow to give it more like of a barrier, and the park is working on getting a different type of fence for back there. So that will be an improvement that they're going to be making soon. So we look forward to hosting people.
Had a good stop at a Winn-Dixie.
It's actually
Radio's on.
Drove. It's nice having somebody following us because Nick took us to Taco Bell for lunch.
Can you hear me now?
Which is really nice. Now we're hitting the road.
Ready to roll?
Yep.
We are ready.
Hour and a half to go.
Caribel Beach RV Resort, and the roads are really tight to go around this corner. I'll show you right here. But we had to go in the mulch. All these other roads have trees at the ends and stop signs. I don't know how we would be able to park if we had to go down one of those roads. But let me show you our site where Harold and Nick are unhooking the truck. So let me show you what our site looks like. Don't mind his car. So, okay, concrete pad with this little patio punch out and a picnic table, and then the rest of it's just all mulch. So I parked this, or I told Harold to back up far enough for our butt to overhang on the mulch so that we could have more parking space in the front because of Nick's car being with us. So, but anyways, so we are here at Carrabelle. What do you think of Carrabelle so far?
I like this. We should stay here longer.
We sort of have an event we have to go to.
I know.
So we can't. So we're here tonight and tomorrow night. We're hoping to explore the beach tonight or tomorrow because the beach access is right across the street. I'll make sure to show you that.
I've got two ACs running.
And how did it do?
I don't know, my phone's in there. I think the batteries are like 90% now.
He has the bedroom AC and the middle AC running for like the last 40 miles so that it could be cooler in there because it's 80 degrees today.
The battery's now at 88%.
What's our incoming
Well, it's cut it down because I turned the
pedestal on?
I turned the pedestal on, so
Well, everywhere looks like it looks like it's shady now.
yeah. So
Even there's no clouds in the sky. Look at that.
we got a blue skies.
We got blue skies.
It's pretty.
Oh wait, it's our rig creating the shade.
Yep. But we got two ACs running, some solar coming in, and it's charging the batteries back up now.
Cool.
So
We're good.
yep, we're good.
Currently at 73 in the bedroom, 73 in the garage, and 75 in the main. Not bad for an 80-degree day. It's done leveling. So now we can bring our stairs down. Our stairs have gotten beat up over the years. But it's still working. Oh. Gotta go get the doodles out of the truck. I'll grab Pixie and my stuff. Hi, doodles. Hi, doodles. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so that was up the creek raw bar, and we're in Apalachicola. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you're ever in this area and you want a really good seafood place that also sells chicken and burgers, this is the place to go. It is a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. You get really big portions. Now I gotta figure out where everybody went because there's our truck and they're not here. So maybe they came down here. The whole underside of the restaurant. So I guess if they're super busy, look, little picnic tables. That's such a cute little area.
Just had a great dinner. Had a great drive day. We're in Apalachicola at the Up the Creek restaurant, seafood restaurant. Amazing. And nice nice sunset.
I told them if they're in the area, definitely come here because it's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
They have stuff. They have stuff fried. So like if you want chicken tenders, you can have fried chicken tenders, grilled chicken tenders, or black chicken tenders.
Yeah, black and mahi, highly recommend. All right, we're at Caribel Beach Resort.
RV resort.
RV Resort. And what's really cool about this place is that it's literally right across the street from the beach.
Right, which is why it's called the beach resort. But so you have to pass the road, but there is a sidewalk that you can walk on and a red light for you to go cross at.
Right.
So you're not going to, sorry, golf cart's passing us. So you're not going to get like hit by traffic because there's a way for you to, make traffic stop. So
Yeah, it literally has a stoplight connected to the crosswalk.
yeah,
So that's nice.
Pretty nice. And then We're going to show you a little bit of the park. It's a very tight park. So I'm not quite sure how we're going to get out.
It's so tight that when you come in, you go to the right for 40 plus feet and you go to the left for shorter.
Yep, and then you can't get from one to the other. So don't think you can go to the left of your big and then like figure out how to turn around, because there's nowhere to go. So we had to back out to turn.
Yeah.
But we're close to the beach. It was only like $58 a night with Good Sam's discount.
Yeah.
And we were only here for 2 nights. So
there you go.
So there's
Caribel Beach Resort.
Caribel Beach.
And there's the office behind us, and that's about it.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Our party's leaving us. It's a busy road. This feels amazing.
It's that white sand like Dustin and
Yeah.
Fiesta Key had and Pensacola.
Yeah. It's really nice. I think it's worse when you have your flip-flops on.
Well, yeah, because it's hard to walk until you get down here where it's packed.
Yeah. A little more choppy today. All right, this is my first time entering the Gulf of America. Whew. Little chilly.
It's breathable.
It's so nice when you find little spots like this. It's so fun walking across. Pretty cool. I believe I just found my first thing of quicksand. Look at this. Seemingly normal spot where I was walking, and my foot went right there, and it just sinks. And then look at that. Just disappears. And it's hard all the way around there. That's crazy.
We have the replacement of that thing you got in the cabinet. The hose is busted. Oh my gosh.
Every single loop.
Hold on.
How is that possible?
I don't know how that's possible. Like, what happened to it? Oh, French feet off.
I mean, it's like every single loop is...
French feet off. Alright, where are we going?
Wash my hand.
Well, yeah, that too. It's really rinsing right now.
Yeah, rinsing him. Splash RV in Milton, Florida.
I don't think that's a good representation of your accents either.
Oh. Crikey! We're going to Milton, Florida.
Okay, so we are currently at Caribel Beach RV Resort. I walked it last night, and it actually has a pool and a rec center with a pool table. It has a bathhouse with a laundry facility. Like, it has all of that, so it's not just an office.
All right.
We just didn't get to use any of it or see any of it because we were only here for a night. But so check out Caribel Beach RV Resort if you're
tight.
in this area. It is a tight park, so big rigs book early. They have a whole nother section across the road that doesn't look as tight. But yeah, so this is supposed to be for 45 feet, but I don't know how the roads are designed for 45 feet. So
All right, well, I'm gonna back this thing up.
alright, so now we're going to Milton, Florida for Splash RV for the LJMJ huddle. So we'll be there for the week. This one doesn't zoom like the big camera. So can't zoom in on you over there. Don't like that part.
Look how short she is. Just see a little head. Oh my goodness, hi Doodles. Hi Bigsy Wixie, you ready? So we just made it to Splash RV. It's pouring down raining. It's thundering, it's lightning. And of course we're out here setting up and setting it up. So plus the site, beautiful park. The site's a little small though. I had to kind of angle the truck here to get it out of the road. Of course, it's a big truck and it's a big RV.
Every time we make it to the central time zone, it's pouring down rain.
I agree. I can put the truck more angle and get more room over there beside the RV.
Come on, damn it. Come on.
I'll do that. So this is Splash RV, and just an amazing place to come visit in Milton, Florida, which is 30 minutes from Pensacola. So yeah, definitely recommend staying here. We're going to take a tour of the park real quick, show you what the park is like. And I just went in the visitor center. Staff is super friendly, very accommodating, and we absolutely loved having an event here. So let's go check out the rest of the park.